I was playing soccer, and then I was walking towards the ball, and then all of a sudden I just felt this huge pain in my chest, and it's like nothing I felt before.
I took him to an urgent care in our town because the Atlantic Health urgent care was closed, and they told us it was muscular. Go home, take some Advil. The next morning he didn't seem to be in much better, so I took him to the Atlantic Health urgent care, where they diagnosed him immediately with a collapsed lung. Within 10 minutes he was in an ambulance headed to Goriab Children's Hospital, and there was so much unknown in front of us.
In the emergency room, they performed an emergency procedure to put a chest tube in and re-inflate my lung.
Mac had something that a lot of young patients who happen to be very tall and thin are afflicted with, which is a condition called spontaneous pneumothorax. And usually a chest x-ray reveals a collapsed lung. We do offer surgery in which we remove the diseased portion of the lung using small cameras and small instruments that go through holes in the chest wall. However, with these small holes, most people are back to normal within 2 to 3 weeks. And generally have no further issues.
Dr. Lazar came in after my surgery and explained that I'd be 100% and I'd be able to do everything I could before.
Teenagers, I think, in my experience, I've raised 3 and taken care of thousands, really do like direct information. And so we do that here at the Goriab Children's Hospital with an outstanding group of child life specialists who are part of our team.
Throughout my long days there, the nurses and child life specialists really made me feel at home with the hospitality. Another thing they did was pet therapy, and they brought a dog into my room, and I also have 2 dogs at home, so it made me feel like I was at home and not really at a hospital. The nurses were really cool to let my whole soccer team come in and have pizza with me, and it really helped with my recovery.
One of the greatest joys that we have as a team here at Morristown and here at Atlantic Health is someone like Mac, we diagnose quickly, surgically treat, and have him back to school and on the soccer field within 2 weeks. And not only is he back to those activities, but he's invigorated and he's happy and he's confident that he's going to do well. And he did.
Whenever your child gets hurt, those memories are pretty forefront in your mind. But as I watched him play soccer senior year and go through all those milestones of senior year, it was so wonderful to know that he was great. His body was in good shape. And that was because of the care we received at Goriab Children's Hospital.